rock over there. Jump through! Umba, look out!
Amba! Roo! What's happening? Oh, I can't see a thing. How can I help? My intellect is useless.
There's too many!
Jenny! We need metric!
I will help them come to you.
Uma! You need to grab hold of me! Hold on!
Genie, I don't know what to do. All my calculations leave me with the same answer. Falling into a big hole.
Calculations are not the answer.
Really?
In times of peril, courage and strength are needed.
But I have no way of getting down to Umba and Ro.
What you are is your strength metric.
I'm just a floating gas that can't climb. Wait a minute. I can float down. If I control my trajectory, I can get to them. Time to help my friends.
There he is!
Metric! Down here!
Ouch! Oh, that looks sharp. Yes, there they are.
You did it!
I did.